Once upon a time, in a dense forest, there lived a powerful lion. He was very proud of his strength. One day he was sleeping under a large tree. A small mouse was running around and, while playing, climbed onto the lion. The lion woke up angrily and caught the mouse in his paw, ready to kill him. The mouse said, "O king of the forest, please forgive me. Maybe someday I can be of help to you." The lion laughed at the mouse's words and let him go. A few days later, the lion was wandering in the forest when he got caught in a hunter's net. He tried very hard but could not free himself from the net. He started roaring loudly. Hearing his roar, the same mouse came running. Seeing the lion trapped, he immediately started gnawing at the net with his teeth. In no time, he had cut through the net and the lion was very ashamed of his arrogance and thanked the mouse for his help. From that day on, the lion's pride was gone, and he realized that no one should be considered small or unimportant. Moral: the story teaches us not to be arrogant or underestimate anyone because you never know who might come to your aid. Helping others is always noble. This story will appeal to children and teach them about